If you use a user ID and password to use Lexis Advance, you can create a bookmark or favorite in your browser. Go to Lexis Advance homepage, type in your user ID and password and tick the Remember Me option. To create a favorite, click on the star in the top right-hand corner of your browser window. Select the option Add to Favorites bar. Next, right-click on the favorite to advance and click on Properties. Edit the URL to read https://advance.lexis.com/Pacific and save. To use the link to log in, just click on it. If you use Google Chrome, type in your user ID and password and tick the Remember Me option. To turn it into a favorite, click on the star in the top right of your browser's address bar. Select the folder option Bookmarks bar. Right-click on the favorite to advance and click on Edit. Edit the URL to https://advance.lexis.com/Pacific and save.